My dear friends, very good morning. This is Commander Sudhir Kumar from my YouTube channel Pulse Beat of India. Today I am going to discuss that what could be the technology intervention in stopping the question paper leakages in India. You all might be hearing it, reading in newspapers and going through on social media about the technologies separately like the blockchain, then AI algorithm, then the facial recognition, then biometric identity, and iris technology as far as safety and security is concerned. And then you know that AI driven algorithm based CCTV monitoring for situational awareness. So these technologies could be interwoven in stopping the question paper leakages. Before I suggest how these technologies could be uh, used to stop the leakage of question papers and even the prevention for stopping the malpractices and cheating during exam, you will find shortly, within a very short span of near about 10 to 15 minutes, I'll be talking about it. That if you like this video, please subscribe my channel Pulse Beat of India. Now I'll take you to the topic that you know that there are various sources nowadays that the question paper could leakage, and these stakeholders those are involved are whether where the question paper has been made and how it was stored, then how it was given for the printing, and then how it was sealed into the envelopes, and then how it was distributed through a transportation system to the various examination centers, which could be from 100 to thousands pan India. Then there's one more agency, like whether any of government agencies or any private colleges, IITs, or any exam being conducted by NTA or through UGC, all these question leakages pertains to these stakeholders only, and how to stop it. That the first of all is that these exams are being conducted by outsourcing them to private players. Those are using definitely the different technologies, and they are having an expertise to conduct these examinations. But let me tell you, these are the very agencies that they find loopholes in uh, towards the leakages of question papers, and the possibilities are at each place. So, how to? The first of all, I am suggesting that number one is that make question banks very comprehensive, very exhaustive, having thousands of questions, objective type of questions, multi answers type of multiple answers type of questions. And when these comprehensive question banks are made on each topic of that relevant to that particular exam, could be segmented. And when these question banks are made, these question banks are to be stored by using the blockchain technologies in different ledgers, but they should have a sort of an connectivity which could be driven by AI based algorithm. And this AI based algorithm based on LLM, large language models, it will be based by a code. Then any administrator who wants to generate AI generated question papers out of these question banks and will find the linkages to different distribution of ledgers by using blockchain technology only when this code is being used, and this code will be only with one single person either the DG of NDA or UPSC chairman, and this code could be just taken out only 15 minutes before the conduct of an examination. And by this code, what will happen that all these question papers in question bank, before the question paper was generated by using AI algorithm, then they were sort of in a standalone computers kept at under his command, and there is no connectivity by internet, and then it could be connected to the internet only when he is using this code, so that what happens, you can consider all these questions were decrypted and they become encrypted only when this code is used, and then he gives a command about that particular examination, please that AI generated question papers may be produced, and that AI algorithm on his command just 15 minutes before the conduct of examination will randomly produce 5 questions paper or 10 question papers, and out of it also the one question paper is selected, and then it is distributed online, and this online connection on internet, secured internet connection is given only for 5 minutes at the center. Administrators, those are conducting an exam at various centers, that could be for like number 1 to 5,000 or 3,000, 4,000, or even up to 10,000, or any number of examination centers. And these each administrator during that window of 5 minutes take that question paper, AI generated question paper, at his examination center, and again he is controlling that question paper for 5 minutes on his laptop, and he shares with the secured connections those are given to the different participants those are appearing in exam only during that 5 minutes window, from 5 minutes to 10 minutes, just 5 minutes before the conduct of examination, so that the students are able to read all the instructions before the question paper commences on their laptops, tabs, or smartphones. And even the question centers can have their control devices for conduct of that exam, and it is solely that administrator of examination center will be responsible. So is going to be the who all are going to have the invigilation in that room. Then what happens, that identity of the administrator of DG of NTA and the chairman of UPSC, who is going to be authorized with this code for the generation of AI generated question papers, will have the Irish, will have the sort of an identification, biometric identification, Irish, Aadhaar, or even facial recognition, and so is going to be the administrator of each examination centers, and all those are authorized to carry out invigilation in a particular center. Now you will say that how it is going to be happen. It's a very smooth chain. It's only the linkages of 3-4 different technology which I have talked about is going to be made. Once again, I'll repeat for your advantages that the question papers, very comprehensive question banks are made on each topic or each segment of a question paper which is set for a competitive examination or for a government job or for a private job or for competitive examination for getting admission for medical like NEET or NET or CAT for MBAs, and there are any kind of an examination that this code is used or opened by the administrator of the Director General of NTA or the Chairman of UPSC could be taken out only 15 minutes before the conduct of examination. All these question banks are stored by using blockchain technologies, and it generates the linkage of all these question bank starts having the weightages to different the segments of question, the parts of the question paper or the topics of the question papers only 15 minutes before, and then the question paper, he uses that command 5 times or 10 times, and then he is having 5 to 10 AI generated question papers of that particular exam. And then 10 minutes before, once a question paper is selected out of these 10, he conveys it through the secured internet lines to the examination center only 10 minutes before. And before that, they were stored in a standalone centralized data center under his command, and no one was authorized, no other person was authorized. He is single-handedly authorized to generate that code, so that you can consider all these questions were kept in a decrypted form. They get encrypted only 15 minutes before, and then he has got 5 minutes to convey, to send them through one command to all the examination center. Each examination center is again authorized to administer that exam, that particular in advance. He is also recognized by Aadhaar card authentication, then double, then iris, then his facial recognition, and then the thumb impression. So this is multiple, and then he is responsible to use that question paper which he receives. That will be from 10 to 5 minutes window, just for 5 minutes, and then 5 minutes before he shares immediately to it, and this could be observed that how fast he is having that, and that goes to all the students. Those are having all these gadgets like computer linkages or the tabs and their smartphones. And the invigilators also, they could be monitored by a centralized command and control center by Alexa technologies, and the CCTV cameras, those are monitored from here. And at a randomly, any examination center could be administered, and they'll be monitored by centralized command and control, creating a video wall where easily the coordinators, the operators, CCTV operators could be put into that. They are monitoring the segment wise, and easily one person can monitor near about 100 CCTV cameras on a video wall. And this centralized command and control that will be having control on this, and already you are having that authentication even of the people those are conducting exam, those are doing invigilation duties, could be checked at any time. And these all CCTV cameras are also used by using AI algorithm, so that you are having an information in real time to have situational awareness at your fingertip anytime, through a coordinated team which is there for the monitoring of exams. And the exam is conducted online, and the moment exam gets done, then it is everyone submits the examination paper within time, and then it is seized. All this data transfer also takes place automatically by AI generated algorithm. It is transferred from each device to the exam center coordinator, and from there it is transferred to the centralized data center under the command of like the Director General of NTA or the Chairman of UPSC. and these question papers for invigilation. Again, once AI generated question paper is there, the answers are found again by AI generated thing, and these answers are ready, and then all these question papers could be, analyzed, evaluation will be done, and the results will also be out without any delay. So this combination of these technologies will facilitate that how we are going to administer our exams, going to stop the leakages of question papers, and then also how 100% the malpractices and cheating during exams could be stopped. It's not very difficult, and I am one of the, you may consider who is just suggesting or recommending this kind of a solution to the government of India, but already the government has done exemplary and outstanding job bringing in dedicated act on it, where very potential act has been passed to stop, and stringent penalties are involved where any person who involves himself into at any stage with any part of leakages of question papers could be sent to an imprisonment from 3 years to 10 years, minimum 3 years, maximum 10 years, rigorous imprisonment, and then fine from 1 lakh to 1 crore of rupees. And if any person faces the multiple cases, all these cases will be considered separately, standalone, so that their fine and imprisonment could multiply. So this use of technology definitely is the future to conduct exams in India, as competition is increasing, and getting government jobs and getting admissions through competitive exams into good institutions is increasing, and this number will increase, and we need a sort of 100% foolproof system to stop these leakages of question papers and the prevention of any cheating or the possibility of a cheating and malpractice during an examination. So with these combination of blockchain technology, iris facial recognition, and biometrics for the safety and security of the question papers, and then cyber hardened system which could be achieved that the papers are stored in blockchain, and AI generation is done only when the code is used, so that from decrypt question papers to encrypt starts when the AI generated question papers mechanism of the code has been put into use. So with this, and then it is being shared on and protected so that the cyber leak also is not possible, and the time of conduct of examination, making question papers, distributing them, and then the participants are going through these question papers has been shortened. Same way evaluation period is also shortened. I am sure with this kind of an prototype, or this a pilot could be launched toward this, and I'm sure it will be a successful exercise. So with this, the youth of the nations could be confident. Already a very high level committee is investigating into these lapses of question paper leakages, which was very had taken place in many exams. The government is on to it, and I am sure this high level committee will recommend the solutions like I am making, and definitely when a cumulative feedback is there with the Education Ministry of the Government of India, I am sure a potent solution will definitely be there. So our youth need not to be disheartened. The action is in hand, and will make sure that the talented youth gets what they deserve. Okay, so all the best, youth. Have that little more patience, so that this problem could be settled forever. In progressing India, And now India is at a very tipping point where we are, taking big strides towards becoming the self-reliant nation. And then we have kept a sort of a time frame during this Amrit Kal that we are going to become a Viksit Bharat, a fully developed nation by 2047. And your contribution is of immense value, so that it is, you take it that government definitely is going to provide you a solution which will make sure that you get that success what you deserve, and true potential will definitely get what they deserve. Thank you very much.